Good morning children and welcome to your reasoning class. Dear students, today we will continue with the same chapter 3 alphabet test that we have discussed in our previous class. In our previous class, I have discussed 4 types of questions with you till question number 25. So today we will begin with question number 26. So let's start our today's class. In question number 26 of your reasoning book, page number 24, you can see that the question is, which of the following words cannot be formed from the letters of the given word? And the given word is introduction. The given word is introduction. Introduction. You can see that there are 4 options in the question. So let's see. Let's check that which word we cannot make from this, from the letters of the given word introduction. Round. The first word is round. R-O-U-N-D. So R-O-U-N-D. You can see that you can find R and O just after it. So R and O is there. So we got 2 letters. Then after you can see after D it is U. R-O-U. The last letter is N. And this letter in between O and U you can find D also. So R-O-U-U-N-D. So all the letters of the given word round is present in introduction. So we can easily make this word from the word introduction. Now let's check the second option. The second option is idiot. Second option is idiot. Let's find out. Yes, I is the first letter of introduction. Again D is there. Again I is there. O. Yes, O is also present in the given word. And T. Intro. T is also present. So we can make idiot also. The next word is option C. Drain. Let's check out this one. D-R-A-I-N. Yes, can you see D? Yes, it is present. R, it is present. A. Introduction. No children. A is not there. Letter A is not present in the given word introduction. So we cannot make this word from the given word. So what is the answer for our question number 26? The answer is option C. Option C is your answer. Okay children? Let's see question number 27. Yes, in question number 27, the question is, arrange the following alphabets to form a meaningful word and identify the category of the word formed. Here in question number 27, you can see that there are some letters given in a box. So we have to form a meaningful word from the given letters, and after that we will identify the category of that word. So the letters are R, N, E, O, A, G. So children, we have to, first of all, we have to make a meaningful word. Yes, let's see. Yes, O is there. If I will take O, then R, then A, N, G, E. Yes, orange. Orange is a meaningful word which is formed from the given letter. So orange is a fruit. also a name of a color. So let's check out the option. Option A is flower. No, it doesn't come in this category. Fruit. Yes, orange is a fruit. Option C, animal, and option D is month. So color is not given in any option. So the option will be fruit. Option B. Option B will be your answer for question number 27. So now let's see question number 28. Question number 28 is telling, select the combination of numbers so that letters are arranged accordingly to form a meaningful word. Here you can see that E, R, B, I, D are the given letters followed by the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So, and you can see that there are 4 options. There are 4 options. We have to select the combination of numbers which will form a meaningful word. So let's put all the letters according to the numbers. 5. On 5 we have letter D. 1. On number 1 we have letter E. 3. Number 3 we have letter V, and on 4 we have letter I, and on 2 we have letter R. Devil. No, devil is not a meaningful word, children. So it is not correct. Option A is wrong. Option B. You can see on 5 we have letter D. On 2 we have letter R. On number 4 we have letter I. On number 3 we have letter V. And on number 1 we have letter E. Yes. Drive. Yes, letter. Yes, children. Drive is a meaningful word. So no need to check option C and option D. We get our answer from option B. So what will be your answer for question number 28? Option B. Option B is your answer. Is it clear, children? Children, if you will read question number 29 and 30, these are same as question number 28, and question number 31 is similar to question number 26. So you will do these questions by your own. Let's see question number 32. 32. So question number 32 is telling, select the combination of numbers so that letters are arranged accordingly to form a meaningful words. There are some letters given in the question. The letters are T, E, G, A, R, followed by the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. What you have to do, you have to select the combination of numbers, which is the right combination of number from which you can extract a meaningful word. So let's check the first option. So in the first option you can see the numbers given are 5, 2, 4, 3, 1. 5, 2, 4, 3, 1. Let's check it. Which letter comes on number 5? R. On number 2? E. On number 4? A. On number 3? G. And on number 1? T. R, E, A, G, T. No, children. It does not make a meaningful word. So option A is incorrect. Let's check option B. And the numbers are 3, 5, 2, 4 and 1. Let's see the letters. On number 3 we have letter A. And on number 1, we have letter D. Great. Yes, this is a meaningful word. So, there is no need to check other options because we get our answer from option B. So, your answer for question number 32 will be option B. Great. Great is the correct answer. Let's see question number 33. The question number 33 is telling, find the combination of number so that the letters are arranged accordingly to form a meaningful English word. To form a meaningful English word. Yes, children. Again, the question is the same, but it has made the question little twisted by adding the letter English word. You have to find a meaningful word from the given letters U, D, R, O, N, and you have to check the option that which option will give you a meaningful English word. Let's check out the first option. The numbers are 3, 4, 1, 5, 2. So which letter comes on number 3? On number 3, R is coming. On number 4, letter O is coming. On number 1, letter U is coming. And on number 5, letter N is coming. And on number 2, letter D is coming. So, is it a meaningful word? R-O-U-N-D? Round. Yes, children. Round is a meaningful word and it is a English word also. So, we are getting our answer from option A only. So, no need to check option B, C and D. No need to spend your time on checking the other option. Okay, in the exams also you will do the same thing. If you will get your answer from the first option only, then no need to check the other option. So the answer for question number 33 is option A, round. Yes, round is a meaningful word as well as it is an English word. Let's see question number 34. Question number 34 is telling, which of the following words cannot be formed from the letters of the given word? Children, it is again same kind of question that we have discussed earlier. Our given word is personated. The given word is personated. And we have to find a word which we cannot make from the given word. So the given words are paste, create, poet, test. We have to check all the 4 options and we have to find out that which word we cannot make from the given word personated. Let's check option number A. Paste. Yes, P. Letter P. You can see letter P is there. A. Yes, A is also there. S. Yes, S is there. T. Yes, T is also present. Next is E. E is also present. So it means, children, that we can easily make word paste from the given word personated. But we have to find out the word which we cannot make. So next is C, create. C, personated. No, we cannot find the letter C. P-E-R-S-O-N-A-T-E-D. Yes, we cannot find letter C in personated. So how will we create? How will we create the word create? How will we find the word create from the given word? So, here is your answer. We cannot make the word create from the given word personated. So, our answer for that cannot be formed from the letters of the given word. The question is similar to question number 34. So I hope children that you have learned how to solve these kinds of questions, and I hope that you will do the rest question by your own. So we will meet soon in the next video. Till then, do take very good care of yourself and keep learning. Thank you.